dangerous being up there. See how that water looks like it's boiling? It's boiling up like that. It's caused by the turbulence of it hitting the riverbed about 25 metres below us. They open up everywhere. You don't want one to open up beside the boat. Apparently it will just swamp us. We end up 25 metres below.
They get right crossing that, right?
Yeah, don't slow down. They're flowing at about 90% at the moment. When they're doing 100%, they put over 300,000 litres a second. Enough to fill in the Olympic-sized swimming pool in about 5 seconds. You guys all been up there, up to the lookout? No, not yet. That's the main lookout there, obviously, where everybody is. There is another one up at the top of the hill there, somewhere in the trees, only a 5-minute walk. And there's another one out over this side.